bought one of those 0G hoses from Lowe's. Really nice hoses, you can stack them up like a rope. And the day after I bought it, our new puppy, I kept my eyes off her for a second, and she started chewing into it, and it made a hole. So I was gonna use a hose mender piece, but I thought, hey, why don't I test out Gorilla Tape and see how well that this will work. And so these hoses are nylon on the outside and then rubber on the inside. I tied it off on each end with some half hitches. I'm gonna turn on the water so it bulges. Then I'm gonna try and wrap tape on it as it's spraying water everywhere. And we'll just see how well Gorilla Tape works. Turned on the water, it's starting to fill the hose. There we go. It's leaking. Let's see what we can do with this tape. So maybe Gorilla Tape, even though it says it's waterproof, weatherproof, might not work on a damaged hose.